बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। माशाअल्लाह ला कुव्वत इल्ला बिल्लाह वमा तौफीकी इल्ला बिल्लाह। Distinguished guests, respected delegates, esteemed partners, industry leaders, entrepreneurs, faculty members, and most importantly, the bright, ambitious students and startups who are the heartiest of Pakistan's digital future. Very warm welcome to Pakistan's Digital Future Craft Conference. The name has been actually crafted, Pakistan's Digital Future Craft. How to craft Pakistan's digital future, how to take Pakistan in digital era. Alhamdulillah, we are already entered into it, but how to refine it, how to finally entering into this era so that we are a proud digital nation in the arena of the world. This year marks 15th edition of EPTEC Vision, a journey that began in 2010 with a simple mission to showcase the talent. Somebody asked me Bilal asked me, how did you start this EPTEC Vision? So I told him that in 2010, when we started, at that time, we noticed that IT industry was more tilted towards hiring the people, the students from the university, those who have the bachelor degree in their hands, no matter they have skills or they don't have skills. So we thought we need to create a noise. We need to showcase our product, our students, EPTEC students, so that the industry should know what is the product that we are delivering to the market, to the IT industry, and enlightening the vision of EPTEC for building the nation. And with that spirit, we unveil this new chapter, Pakistan's Digital Future Craft, also in this 2025. Again, the objective is same. The EPTEC vision, it has been there for last 15 years, and alhamdulillah, every year it marks new heights, it marks new numbers, new students, new visitors, and IT industry leaders to visit that and encourage our startups, our students. So we thought to engage more into this, and we should be providing a platform for our students, our startups, so that they should learn directly from the IT industry. Normally, if you see any conferences, generally जो conferences होती हैं हमारे पास, these students do not get direct access to those conferences. But EPTEC, by arranging this conference, and especially this session, my only focus is to provide these youngsters, these students, these new startups, these new enthusiasts, to learn from the leaders who are working in the startup arena. And in this session, I have requested Sayyid Asfar Hussain, who is now the symbol of startups, who is now the symbol of incubation. पाकिस्तान में अगर इंक्यूबेशन की बात हो और स्टार्टअप्स की बात हो और सैयद असफर हुसैन का नाम ना आए तो ये पॉसिबल हो ही नहीं सकता। तो मैंने कहा कि इन लीडर्स को आना चाहिए। मैं तो बात करता रहूँगा, लिखी पढ़ी सुनी सुनाई बात करूँगा। ये वो लीडर्स हैं जो बात करेंगे from core of heart, from their experiences, and they will be better guide, better advisors. So thank you, Asfar, for being here, and thank you for the panelists for being here. This conference brings together the full spectrum of our ecosystem: undergraduates and graduate students, the dreamers, the coders, and the creators of tomorrow. Startups, the risk takers who dare to build what hasn't been built. Job providers, yes, the other feature of today's AppTech Vision is in the open job fair. And I'm happy to share with you that in only 7 to 8 days of the campaign, we have more than 4,000, कितना है? 4,000 something job applicant. 4,000 something job applicant. ये अच्छी बात भी है और ये बुरी बात भी है. आप ये देखें कि 7 डेज़ के अंदर, 7 दिन के अंदर अंदर अगर इतने जॉब एप्लीकेंट हैं तो हमारे यहाँ गैप कितना बड़ा है. अच्छा, मैं पहली दफ़ा लिखी हुई स्पीच लेके आया हूँ, लेकिन हस्बे आदत जो है वो पढ़ नहीं सकता मैं, लेकिन फिर भी आई वुड लाइक, बिकॉज मेरे ऊपर प्रेशर है कि नहीं पढ़ी लिखी हुई पढ़नी है. Our morning session, मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ, from idea to impact, explores the role of incubators in nurturing startups. You will hear from the founders who turned sparks into the scalable ventures and from institutions that fuel this transformation. This is not just a panel. It's a blueprint for every student, for every startup wondering, where do I begin? For every startup asking, how do I grow? This session offers answers, inspiration, and the real-world pathways. In the afternoon session, we dive into the software development in the age of AI. This is where code meets conscious, where algorithm meet ethics. We will hear from the pioneers in the data science, cybersecurity, and the digital platforms leaders who are not just building products, but shaping paradigms. We are proud to host the Freelancer Award also. Earlier, these Freelancer Award were scheduled to be in the second session. Now we will have the Freelancers Award. These are, I would like to talk about the Freelancers Award. These are first ever Freelancers Award that AppTech is offering, AppTech has launched. And again, बहुत लेट ख्याल आया, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह we had around 100 plus, नहीं 500, sorry, कितना था? 500, sorry. 500 plus nominations, and these were open nominations with the jury of expert freelancers who have recorded millions of dollars in their portfolio. So those were the part of the jury, and the jury then decided and evaluated the winners, and mostly the focus has been, because this event is taking place in Karachi. So या मैं यहाँ पे कहूँगा कि थोड़ी सी हमने डंडी मारी है, तो थोड़े से पॉइंट हमने कराची होने के, कराचीआइट होने के या कराची बेस्ड होने के ज़्यादा रखें, ताकि एक्चुअली ये भी है कि यहाँ के लोग जो हैं, अच्छा हम जब भी फ्रीलांसिंग या यूट्यूबर और उनकी रेवेन्यूज़ की बात सुनते हैं ना, तो हमेशा पंजाब के शहरों के नाम आते हैं. तो हमने कहा कि भाई कराची या सिंध जो है वो कम तो नहीं है ना, तो हमें उनको भी इनकरेज करना चाहिए. बट या दीज वर ओपन, एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी हैव 10 विनर्स, 10 फ्रीलांसर विनर, जो कि इस सेशन के एंड में इंशाल्लाह ताला वी विल मीट देम और हम उसमें करेंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड आई वुड स्पेशली थैंक एजाज निसार भाई. ही इज़ द मेंटर ऑफ द मेंटर्स. जो खुद को मेंटर कहते हैं ना, वो भी इनसे ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं जाकर के, मेरे जैसे. तो mentors of the mentors, Ejaz Nisar Saab, he has come all the way from Lahore. He is founder of the CEO Club of Pakistan, one of the wonderful platform for the CEOs and the key, I would say, the key runner of the जिसको हम कहते हैं कि trade. I would like also thank Dr. Imran Yusuf Saab, honestly speaking, you will love to hear these both. हमारे जो आज के मेहमान खुसूसी हैं डॉक्टर इमरान यूसुफ साहब को सुनने के लिए लोग पैसे भर भर के टिकटें लेते हैं। तो आई एम हम्बल, आई एम ओब्लाइज्ड, आपने इस इनविटेशन को एक्सेप्ट किया। आप हमेशा आते हैं, एपटेक विजन में हमेशा आते हैं, बच्चों से बातें करते हैं, बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट्स को देखते हैं। तो सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। And with this, I would like to thank all the audience present here, and I hope the rest of the session you will enjoy, you will learn, and try to learn. Keep your mobiles upside down and try to learn what they are trying to tell you, how to begin, where to begin, and फिर एजाज साहब की बातें and इमरान यूसुफ साहब की बातें। So thank you very much.